Okay, so we're back, and I want to show you really quickly a quick feature that I really appreciate about Prep Agent. I demonstrated most of this in my other video, but I want to show you. Look, there's a way you can print out a simulation of the practice exam, the Pennsylvania practice exam questions, and I just want to see. Okay, so I click that. Let's go over here, right? The Pennsylvania. So when you come into Prep Agent, you again. Let's go back, right? You can simulate practice exams, and this is what your home screen looks like once you're in here. You would go in here and you would click this button here. So again, you create an account. You come in here and you want to do practice exams, right? So let's delete all of this, right? Let's delete this. Let's delete these, and so we can get the real live simulation. So with delete all of those, you would have your screen would look similar to what I have here now. You get these options, you get to select these, and you would just scroll down. So I'm specific to Pennsylvania. You might be in another state too, actually, and you would want to simulate your state or wherever you're trying to be licensed, right? So I'm in Pennsylvania, so they gave me access, or I purchased the Pennsylvania state specific questions. So I would click on Pennsylvania. If you're in another state, it'll appear that way. But I would click on Pennsylvania, and this is for my people um, that might be a little more visual or need something tangible to study and maybe take notes, right? Because not all of us are techie or internet savvy. We might just want to come in here and say, look, I study better when I got the paper or whatever in my hand. So we would come in here and we would generate. I recommend, look, if you, I recommend 100. I think 100 is a really good number. I don't think you have to take, so the entire test, you don't have to answer 100 questions, state and national included. But I recommend that you study as much as you can. So I recommend 100 questions. So I come in here and I would generate 100 questions for the Pennsylvania real estate exam, right? So let's generate exam. I click that, and let's scroll down a little, right? So right here, and remember, like I demonstrated, in Pennsylvania, brokerage fees are set by law, determined by a local group. So let's answer the question. In Pennsylvania, brokerage fees are determined by local groups of brokers operating a multiple listing service. I believe it's this one, so let's check it. It's not. Okay, so brokerage fees are negotiable. Whatever. I don't know. I'm with EXP. Our fee is $85, and I'm happy with that. $85 a month, and we get a lot. So I answered that question, and I want to show you. Let's see. Um, just the test simulation again, just in case you're one of the people that's here and you haven't checked out my other video. Statements of estimated costs and returns must be included. Let's try that. So, oh my God, y'all, look at this, man. Let's do a next question. But this shows you okay, perfect. So this is right what I want. Like when you're in here and you're taking your exam, sometimes there's a keyword that is very relevant that you should know, and you can see it here highlighted like this yellow, and I can just hover over this, or I can click it, and it'll show me the definition for that word. So I wanted to show that, and then over here, these are the questions. This shows me the questions that I need to review. But let's get to the point. We want to show the how to print the questions. You can see over here in the right, this is how you would print the practice exam questions. So just click on that, and it will generate an exam for you, right? So this is what it will look like, and basically, uh, I get all of these questions. It doesn't give me the answers like the software does, but it gives me the questions, so I could then take this with me and I can study. I can write all over it and do whatever it is that I need to do to take these questions. And if I scroll all the way down, it gave me 35 pages because I selected 100. If I scroll all the way down, it gives me the answers. So that is cool. It does give you the answers when you scroll all the way down. You get the answers for each question. So you can take this along with you when you need to. So let's go. Okay, yeah. So the answer key. So the answer key is printed on the last. Look, bear with me because I didn't use this. I used the software, but it does give you the answers, so you can print out both, and you can do what you need to do to study for your real estate license. So it even gives you the definitions like it did in the initial software, and you would just print this. I usually save PDFs, but that's my printer there. So you would just print this, and you would take it with you and do what you need to do. Right. So that's how you get a printed version of the practice exam questions. And again, as usual, I do have a discount code. I'll post it in the description below. So if you're looking for a code so you can utilize the software, my discount code will be either in the description or at the end of this video. So let's go back over to Prep Agent, and that's pretty much it. That's how you print and simulate the test exam questions. So I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.